Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on the Ps4 and signing into your profile. This ensures settings apply to the active user. Open Settings, then Network, and choose Set up Internet Connection to view the connection method. If you use Wi-Fi, select your network. If wired, pick LAN. Once done, choose Custom to access proxy options directly. You need to reach the proxy server screen because that's where removal happens. This step avoids resetting other network values unintentionally. You now continue by following the custom path through IP address settings, DHCP hostname, and DNS settings, making sure to keep previously working values. When you arrive at the proxy server prompt, choose Do Not Use to disable any configured proxy. This tells the console to connect directly to your router and ISP. Make sure to finish the rest of the setup using automatic or manual choices that match your home network. This preserves connectivity and prevents accidental blocks. Finish the setup and immediately run Test Internet Connection to verify direct access. If the test succeeds, you've removed the proxy. Make sure online games and the PlayStation Store load correctly. If it fails, reboot the Ps4 and router, then retest. Sometimes cached routes cause an issue. If problems persist, confirm IP and DNS entries are correct and try a public DNS like 8 temporarily. That single troubleshooting tip often resolves name lookup or proxy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.